Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and on this video we're going to unbox the Samsung TU7000. It is a entry level for Samsung 4K televisions, and this is part of a series. So if you own a TU7000 or looking to buy one, this series of videos will help you learn more about it. So sit back and relax and let's get started. So before we unbox it, let's take a look. First of all, this TV has the Crystal UHD processor. It also is powered by Tizen operating system, and yes, it does have HDR. Now, as far as the applications in there, you have Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and Samsung Plus, which allows you to watch streaming content. This TV has two HDMI ports, which I'll show you guys in just a minute, and it's part of the Green series, so it has this eco-friendly box on it. This TV also has a contrast enhancer. Of course, it comes with remote control. It has the boundless design as well as a game enhancer to get better experience when you're doing your gaming. And just in case you wonder, here's the full model number of this particular one. This is the UN50 TU7000 F as in Frank XZA. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything out of the box here so I can show you how to mount the feet on. All right, I've already pulled the paperwork out. Let's go and get this styrofoam out of here. And then let's go and get the TV out. Now I would tell you that this one's pretty easy to get out because it's a 50-inch. But if you get something larger, like a 65, 85, something like that, you're definitely going to need some assistance. So there you have it. This TV does come with these new snap-in feet, so you don't have to have screws. And you can see right here, they're labeled right and left. All you need to do is go find the right and left on the television, snap into place. And then you can come over here, grab the other side, snap it into place, and then you want to lift it up. And then you're ready to go. And just in case you're wondering, here's the energy savings guide that comes on the television. I also want to point out that this particular TV doesn't have a screensaver on it, and it comes with these little protectors on the side that you can just go ahead and pull off. And this keeps the screen from getting chipped whenever shipping. But you can just take these, put it back in the box, then you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the back of the television. So on the back of it, it's got this nice smooth surface. There's a slot right here for ventilation. It has 4 holes right here so you can mount most standard wall brackets on it. There's a couple lines down here for the design. And then when it comes to the input, you have the power cord input right here. You have one USB, you have a fiber optic output, and you have 2 HDMIs. Over here, you have an ATSC 2.0 tuner, and you have a LAN connection if you don't want to use the built-in Wi-Fi. In the box, it comes with this quick setup guide, and you can see it gives you instructions how to put everything together, and they do recommend you use 2 people whenever placing the TV on a surface or taking it out of the box. It also comes with a guide for the remote control to tell you all the different buttons, and it is battery operated. Here's the power cord that comes with it. You can see that it's angled as well as the plug been angled. And this is going to make it fit snugly into the televisions. And this is the remote control that comes with it. This is a full remote control on the front of it. It's got the IR sensor. You also have buttons like your power button, source button, full number pad, as well as your volume up and down, channel up and down, some hotkeys, as well as the navigation pad right here. Again, this is battery operated, uses 2 AAA batteries, but this particular remote control does not have the voice commands to give you like the Google or Alexa commands. So there's a quick unboxing on the Samsung TU7000. And I will tell you again, if you're looking to learn more about this television, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace! Tech Steve.